Yeah, I know. I came late.
Somebody told me who was posted. Isaac.
All right.
Isaac, the young guy who wears the glasses. He recorded everything, and I think he's posted it now, but I don't know where.
Good.
So you can hear my set.
Yeah.
I want to hear my set. I can't remember what I played. I completely forget everything. Hi, honey. I remember how to get back home. This is the only important thing. I walk down the hill, so I live here. Okay. Hi, I'm back. Wake me up in an hour. Okay. Hi, honey. I'm back home.
Good. Very good. This is a publicity.
Hopefully it might be out in a while or so. Nipper played, Jim played, and I got to finish the evening off. And everybody liked what I played, but it was completely, well, fuck it. Hear for yourselves. Check out the Mick Cloud site.
Your suggestion?
Nick the book. That's where you want to go.
Yeah. Tell me one suggestion on book.
Right. Okay. That's a nice good yoga one.
All right.
Happy
Good.
fitness and mellowness and stuff like that. Careful, don't get run over.
So this is the book of the week.
Well, it's today's. Yeah, it's good. Meditations from the Mat. It's probably the most spiritual book I have up here. All the rest is hardcore men stuff. Hairy-chested men of action. Killing bad guys. Badly. Very badly. Shit like that. But, you know, that's some of it. That's this week. Tomorrow there'll probably be different books.
It's good.
Nick the book. Six definite CD mixes of mine up there from parties and things like that, and probably about another 60 waiting to be put in on there. The archive is up there. Go and enjoy yourselves, and please don't fucking bother me ever again. Thank you. No, just joking, folks. Love you all. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Something like that. I had a triple player on that one, but I can't remember what it was. You know, it's working. It's going up now. Fairy bookworm bollocks. Bye bye. Right, here we go. Just film that whole page there. These are all aliens and UFOs and really trippy stuff. I'll Be Damned is the Llama Zombie movie, 2004. Awesome.
Wow.
Watch it. Don't miss out it. And the big one is Mixcloud, Nick the Book. Probably about 60 CD mixes up there, hopefully by now. Definitely 6. All sorts of styles. Smoke your dope. Listen to the music. Don't kill anybody driving badly. Okay, bye. Bye, world.